Hello family and friends, this is Rob the Sapper Gardener representing Essayons Family Garden, and welcome to another episode of Monday Mail Call. And this mail call is going to be a little different because we do have mail from our friend Linda, the New Orleans gardener. And I think I know what's in here. I haven't looked yet, but we had a conversation about some seeds that I was having trouble growing. Hashtag I killed the cardone on our single seed challenge 2020. So I think that's what we have in here, but we'll know in a minute. The family's patiently waiting for me. They're all tired. We've had a long weekend of working in the garden, and they're anxious to get back to some Minecraft videos. Not Mrs. SG, the boys. So let me open this up, reach my hand in, hopefully not find any snakes. I don't think Miss Linda would send me a snake. I don't think she likes them any more than I do. So we got more than cardone seeds in here. Okay, let's see what we're working with. We got some sunflower seeds, and we got some Italian giant parsley. I think we may still have time to get some of this growing in pots, but if not, we'll have it for next year's garden. And I almost skipped over the note, so let me, thank you, Linda. She gave us a list of everything she sent us. So we've got the sunflower seeds from her garden last year. We got cardone seeds that she harvested from her plants, and I believe Linda harvested these this year or late last year. We got the parsley seeds, and we've got some zinnia. I haven't opened this bag yet, and we got a note with the zinnia, so let me go through this quick because I'm also going to do a seed saving video to add on to this one. This is zinnia flowers I harvested. It's also her favorite zinnia. It is a cactus zinnia. I hope you all enjoy them. TNOG. So we want to thank you, Linda, for giving us TLC from TNOG. Oh, we got a lot in here. So we're always trying to do more flowers, and we definitely appreciate this. So I think most of my subscribers are familiar with Linda's channel. But if you're not, go over there and check her out. She does almost daily videos, live streams, and she takes wonderful care of her garden. And I think you guys will enjoy watching her videos as much as we do. So I'm going to wrap up the Monday mail call portion. I'm going to run downstairs real quick and show you a job that Mrs. SG started. But I'm going to do a little bit more just to show you how easy it is to save kale seeds. So I'll be right back.
We'll be right back. Escape to out.
Alright, everyone. Alright, YouTube family and friends. I'm a little bit late on this video. I had told one of our followers that I would show them how to harvest the kale seeds, and Mrs. SG actually beat me to it. So she's already harvested most of the seed. Well, not most. She's harvested a good amount of seeds from this kale plant. So I'm just going to get a few just to show you how easy it is to harvest the kale seeds. So it's a little bit misty out here. We've got a light rain coming down. But kale is one of those plants that's a biennial. That means it flowers it goes to seed the second year. And this one has gone to seed. And you can see if the plant gets pollinated, then you'll get these little seed pods that come out. And there's still a few green ones on here. But ones like this, you can usually shake them and hear a little bit of a rattling sound in there. Hopefully you guys can see what I see. And we've got a bag to drop ours in. And if you look down in there, if I didn't drop them all, you'll see some small black seeds. So I'm going to get some more, and once I've got a few in the bag, then I'll bring you guys back and I'll show them to you along with the pods. So I actually like to just cut off the whole section. And then, because I'm much clumsier than Mrs. SG, I can just push the whole thing down in there. And that way I don't lose all the seeds. If I show you what I'm doing, I'll push this whole section down in the bag. I won't lose all the seeds, and then I can just pop them open. The seeds come out. So we're gonna have probably a few hundred, maybe 1,000 seeds that we're gonna harvest off this plant, and that'll be more than enough for us to sow in our garden next year. So I've got a bag full, and this is not all that we'll get. My wife has already come and gotten enough for probably the next few years in our garden, but just for the sake of this video, we're gonna show you how easy it is. So we've got a bigger bag inside, and we've got the pods. I actually like to put the whole stems in the bag. Mrs. SG likes to cut off the pods, which this is a seed pod right here, and it's probably got a dozen seeds or so in there. And I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. So when you pop it open, the seeds just fall right out. Well, if I don't drop it. And there's a kale seed. And in the bottom of this bag are literally hundreds of kale seeds already. We'll put this in our garage. We'll let it dry out. If you get a pod that's still a little bit green, it'll dry out, and then take your seeds, take your husk, put those in your compost, save your seeds, put them in a bag, mark them, and you are good to go on seed saving kale. So just a quick tip on how to save seeds for your homestead, your garden. Really easy process. Most seeds that we save, it is an easy process, and I got a mama bird here waiting on me to leave. I'll show you guys something real quick. So let's see. We've got a little nest right there that she's made outside of the Sapper cave door. But we don't mind. We just hope the neighborhood cats or other predators don't get in there. That's our wash station. So after the birdies leave, we'll put our top on, which we didn't do, and that'll keep birds from nesting in there again. So couple of quick updates on the homestead. We are going to try to stay regular and show you guys what we're doing, but as with most gardeners, it's a busy time of the year. So I'm gonna do a little bit more. It's actually a beautiful day here in Virginia. It's slightly overcast. It was raining or drizzling. Now it's not. So I'm gonna go get some work done while we got this beautiful weather. So, and once we've got our seeds bagged up, we come inside here to the garage. Man, she's getting dusty over there. And we put our seeds up on this shelf, which is just basically a greenhouse shelf with a bunch of other junk on it. We got our garlic, our onions, everything. So we try to centralize where we're drying seeds and whatnot, but these, once they've been out here for, you know, a few weeks, a month, then we'll separate the kale seeds from the husk of the pods, and we'll put them in the smaller bags, and then we'll move them back down to the Sapper cave, because that's a more controlled environment, and then they'll stay 65, 70 degrees for however long we have them before we plant them. So I'm gonna sit that there, and somewhere up here should be a bag that says kale, I think. Yep, there it is. So she's much more efficient than I am. This is just seeds, no pods, but you guys get the point. So we want to thank Miss Linda, the New Orleans gardener, again for the gift of seeds. And we want to thank all of you for coming to spend some time with our family. So, as always, this is Rob, the Sapper gardener, representing Essayons Family Garden, saying God bless our great country America, you, wherever you reside around the world, your garden, your harvest, your kitchen, your meals, and especially your family, to have health, success, and prosperity, and save your seeds. Take care. Sapper out.